Hey friends, Gary here. I'm an enthusiast photographer sharing my journey in this YouTube channel and also a big fan of Micro Four Thirds camera system. And currently I really enjoy this guy right here. This is the Panasonic Lumix G100. I think this is the almost perfect Micro Four Thirds camera, especially for everyday photography, for travel photography, and any kind of hybrid photography, a combination of still pictures and also video. It has so many things right. First of all, the size and weight. It is just so small and it is very lightweight, making it very easy to carry around every day. That was what Micro Four Thirds was all about. Small, lightweight, but great image quality. Speaking of image quality, pictures taken using this camera are just so nice, even though it is only Micro Four Thirds sensor, but with its newer 20 megapixel sensor, I can capture so many details. I can just use this camera for landscape, for travel, for capturing everyday moments, and the camera will never fail. Ergonomics, this camera has a pretty great handling because of the front grip and the thumb grip right here, making it possible for me to use larger lenses quite comfortably. Manual control is excellent, dedicated mode dial, front dial to change aperture or shutter speed, rear dial for full manual control, some function buttons that you can customize. It's just so nice. And then it has this really nice EVF that is actually really pleasant to use. It is very high def in my opinion, and then it has this fully articulating screen. This is so great, not only for video but also for vertical landscape shots and also for vertical street photography as well. And speaking about being a hybrid camera, for video it also has this beautiful microphone input option right here, so I can use better external microphone and get better audio quality. Now there are a few things that Panasonic can definitely do in order to make the G100 into becoming the most perfect Micro Four Thirds camera ever, period. Even the most perfect camera, not only for Micro Four Thirds. First of all, implement in-body stabilizer into the G100. Lots of newer cameras in the market right now doesn't have in-body stabilizer. They only use digital stabilizer like what the G100 does. I mean, in the past, Panasonic made cameras like GX9, GX85, GX8, G85, GH7, and all those beautiful cameras, and they all have in-body stabilizer that works really great, not only for still picture but also for video. So prime lenses like this 14mm f2.5 will become stabilized, so I can use it for lower light situation and also to record smooth and stable video footage. So yeah, in-body stabilizer for the G100. And the next thing that they can do is to put face detect autofocus so that the continuous autofocus on these Panasonic Lumix Micro Four Thirds cameras will become better. I know that they did it with the G9 Mark II and also the GH7. So something like the G100, why not? This is the perfect candidate to put face detect autofocus on. And then better flash sync speed. I know not a lot of people are doing flash photography right now, but I love to do flash photography, especially using the strobist technique or off-camera flash sometimes to get that, unique looking, dramatic kind of lighting effect. So with higher flash sync speed, I'll be able to do more strobist photography outdoor in bright sunny day with no problem. And then after that, on top of what I just mentioned, please keep the size of the camera and the weight of the camera relatively the same. Not much bigger, not much heavier. That will be greatly appreciated because that's what Micro Four Thirds is all about, as I mentioned earlier. And also keep the price within the same range. I know that with newer features, you will have to improve the price, but please increase the price just a little bit, not too much, because right now this is very competitive, especially if you compare this guy to newer Fuji cameras, to newer Sony cameras. We have the RX1 R Mark III that is just priced outrageously. So something like the G100 will become very competitive, especially if Panasonic upgrades it. So yeah, that's what I hope for the next iteration of the G100. I think if Panasonic implements those upgrades while keeping the size, weight and price relatively almost the same, then they will have a banger camera that will crush the market and makes Micro Four Thirds alive and thriving again in the future. So that is all for today's video, a little bit of sharing about the G100 and what it should be in the future. Hopefully this has been fun and entertaining, but enough about me. What about you guys? What are your perfect Micro Four Thirds camera? Please share on the comment down below. Is it the G100 or some other Panasonic, Olympus or OM system cameras that you want to improve on? Let's have a little bit of discussion. I'd love to read your comments. And anyway, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel. Use my affiliate links. If you want to purchase something, I will get a small kickback to support my channel. And if you want to support my channel even further, consider joining my Patreon. You will get some exclusive benefits such as exclusive Patreon-only contents, being able to ask questions for future Q&A videos on this channel, and also to download high-res pictures that I captured myself using either my Micro Four Thirds cameras or my other cameras. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.